Sienna X Chemical Peel. Do I rub it in?
Yeah.
Apply as a weekly treatment onto dry skin and leave for 5 minutes. Whoa, that was a noise.
That sounded like a wet party.
5 minutes. I'm gonna wash my hand because I don't really want my hands to peel. Whoa, I can feel it.
Can you beat it?
Yeah, like stinging a little bit. Doing a spot of cooking in there. So, oh, I've got broccoli on me. So I'm washing this off now. Definitely stung a little bit. Babe, pass me the face mask, please. My nose is a bit red.
How long do we put this on for?
I leave these on for as long as I want.
So do.
That will soak in, yeah. Radiating glue. And glow. Beauty laundrette. There's so much excess. Wow, this is liquidy. That was a luck of the draw that I put that on the right way around. There's so much like stuff in these. Can't see. God, that's terrifying. I look like Face Off. Great film. Back in a jiffy. So I cut the bottom off so I could eat. Looking like a major grease ball. Sally told me to rub it in. Oh, it's like thick though. Greasy. Now, anti-fatigue eye patches. I need this for dark circles because Warren knows.
Who's Warren? Oh, but this feels hot when you rub it in.
Yeah.
Do you recommend that mark?
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
What?
Okay, well that's going in the video. I love how cooling these feel.
You can be selective of who you send the message to.
Okay, well I'm gonna have to take that out. I'm just gonna leave this on until whenever.
Yeah,
Isn't that nice?
I'm not budging from this spot, so
Really?
I need to wash it off.
it's stuck. Nope.
How about the face mask?
You're not supposed to, you're supposed to leave it.
Why?
You just do, because all the vitamins that are in it like soak into your skin.
Really?
Now we're trying this. I think you're supposed to use it with a microblader. But it's the vitamins.
Microblade.
No. I don't want needles in my face right now.
Oh, what he's doing?
Yeah, I know, he was doing that earlier.
Baby, they're not edible.
not, it's just like playing with it. He's not eating it. Intensive vitamin cocktail serum.
You're hot.
I look brown in that. Oh, the light is pink. Ugh. The lighting's pink because of that porn light. I'm keeping that in.
I would never sell this, okay?
Shall I show you guys?
It's supposed to be mine. Dad said it goes to the firstborn son. His father gave it to him, and now what? And he was gonna give it to you? Yeah.
What an angle, eh? What an angle. Oh, it feels good though.
Mom, this is Lockwood. What do you want me to do? Just take it and get it out.
Full of stress. Smells of nothing. Here you go. I'm gonna leave you with a clip of the pretty cat. Guys, I love you. I love you. I love you. See you soon. That's cute hair, isn't it? Oh well. Ooh, my skin is glowing.
Your skin is like that. Oh shit. Your face though.
Right. I'll leave you on that then, shall I?